there! Frustrated with the too many attempts? Please try again later. Message on Telegram? Don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'll guide you through each step to fix this issue and get you back to chatting with ease. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Clear Telegram app's cache and data. Press and hold the Telegram app icon on your screen. Next, tap the eye icon or app info. Then, select Clear Data. After that, choose Manage Space. Next, tap Clear Cache and tap Clear Cache once more from the pop-up window. Solution 2. Wait it out. Telegram puts this restriction in place to stop abuse. So, waiting for a few hours or even a full day should usually fix the problem. Solution 3. Uninstall the application and reinstall it. Press and hold the Telegram app icon on your screen. Then select Uninstall. Now tap OK to confirm when prompted. After that, head to the Play Store. Then download and reinstall the app. Solution 4. Contact Telegram support. Open the Chrome browser app on your phone. Type Telegram support into the search bar or go directly to this link, https:/telegram.org/support. Then describe your issue, for example, too many attempts while logging in. And enter your email and phone number with a country code, following the on-screen instructions. Finally, tap the Submit button. Then, the support team will reach out to you via email or the phone number you provided. After that, you should get your account back within 48 hours. Got more questions? Drop them in the comment section. Thanks for watching!